Hello there, I am back and my god, my garage looks terrible. You see I made no progress on the car, but even if I wanted to, it's just a pain to work in here. There's so much stuff lying on the ground, so much unorganized. I will have to clean this first before I do whatever on the car. So today we're going to organize the garage. I also have a new camera holder. I replaced this thing, which was what caused my phone to fall so often. And I also have a new phone, and I really hope that you'll be able to see better quality. Although I am not entirely sure if this is going to help, because I know that the software that I'm using isn't the best, and it's lowering the quality of the videos quite a lot. And if somebody knows a better software to edit, I'm using Lightworks currently, just tell me. I will happily switch over. Let's go then. Alright, we are a tiny step further. I kind of organized like general parts that I don't really need but might come in handy someday down there. Just kind of throw them in there. And up here I have parts that I'm definitely going to use someday. Different filters and pumps and stuff like that. And now I have to do something with this big pile. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to use and what I'm not going to use yet. This stuff I thrown out. But I think first I'm going to organize this and this back there. Alright then, let's do it. Alright, so I divided everything and it appears I ran out of Pringles doses. So temporarily I'm going to keep those here until I find a better solution, or just some more, because I should have some more. But generally I've divided this into bolt nuts, washers, bolts, which are quite a lot, plastic clips, like weird stuff, and screws. And with this organized, I can get it out and continue finding stuff. I can just put them in here. Alright, now that I have this sorted, I will try to reorganize my polishing stuff and all of my towels and stuff like that. Alright, so I didn't have the camera set up properly. I forgot to press record multiple times and now I'm done. It's not as well organized as I was hoping it to be, but basically you can see I have all my polishing pads here. Then right in between is, just some towels for dirty stuff. Then those are more or less for hands, and this is for polishing. And those will have to take a shower first. And those are big towels that I'm going to use if there's something like an oil spill where I need to soak up a lot of stuff at once. Alright, another step forward. I have organized this into electrical stuff, some tape, and here are some little boxes missing, which are spread around the garage that we'll have to find later. And up here are like the screw stuff that I organized earlier. Then I have a box full of headlamps. It was a steal, okay? And my towels and polishing stuff. It's not perfect, but it's better. Now I will get to this somehow. I have the old soft top from the MX-5, from the Miata. I have some parts from the 323. I think everything that's relevant to this car, I will put it inside the car for now. And then I have like an engine head over here. Beneath all this stuff, I think I'm going to disassemble some stuff, and then the rest will be thrown away. I'm not really sure how and what I'm going to keep, but I guess I'm going to figure it out. But it's time to clean this mess up. Well, it's not super clean, but at least it's a little bit better. I have put the engine to the side. I took some parts that might come in handy someday. You know, stuff like the oil cap, the throttle body, some little plastic parts that I know that always break, the injectors and stuff. But I'll probably keep them for a couple of years and then throw them away because I never needed them. And until then, this engine part and the soft top, the old soft top, is going to have to just stay here until I find a way to throw them out. But that's enough space for me to be able to work behind the car. So I will continue cleaning a little bit. And in the next video, I think we can do some stuff here. So I just realized that watching me clean is insanely boring. So here's a quick cut of things being cleaned.